Hello and welcome again to another edition of 287 2-Minute Tech Tips. I'm Will Wheelock. Today we are going to do a maintenance request. A maintenance request being like a facilities issue that you need to get fixed, whether it be a physical issue in your classroom, something in the hallway you catch, something that might be broken in a bathroom. This is how we get it done. First, let's make sure that we're signed in to our Google webpage. So when you start off, that you're here. I can see that I am with my Google credentials, and I'm going to scroll all the way left here where it says District 287. From there, I'm going to click down. I'm going to Facilities Ticketing System, log in with Google. From there, I'm going to click on New Request, Maintenance Request, and then type Test Requests. Building, West Education Center is where I'm at, but it could be any one of the locations that apply to you. Location, I am in IT office. Description, with that I'm just going to put in tests.
Click on submit right here.
And that's it. My custodial issue has been created and I'm done. And as always, make it a great day.